Hello everyone, welcome to the words and usage. Learn new words and their usage. So let's begin with thought for the day. Being happy does not mean that everything is perfect. It means that you have decided to look beyond the imperfections. दोस्तों, खुश रहने का मतलब यह नहीं है कि सब कुछ एकदम सही है, कि सब कुछ उत्तम है. इसका मतलब तो यह है कि आपने कमियों से ऊपर उठने का निर्णय कर लिया है. So the point here is that you should always try to look beyond your imperfections, and trust me, your life will be filled with happiness. Okay, so let's move ahead. Our first word for the day is hegemony. Now let's see the meaning of this word. Its meaning is leadership or dominance, especially by one state or social group over others. नेतृत्व या प्रभुत्व, जो कि विशेष रूप से एक राज्य या सामाजिक समूह द्वारा दूसरों पर किया जाता है. Now let's see the usage of this word. The principal enjoyed his hegemony over the staff of the school. प्राचार्य ने स्कूल के कर्मचारियों के ऊपर अपने प्रभुत्व, अपने नेतृत्व का आनंद लिया, लुत्फ उठाया. So hegemony simply means leadership or dominance of one over another. Now let's move to the next word. The next word of the day is candor. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means the quality of being open and honest. मतलब खुले और ईमानदार होने की गुणवत्ता, फ्रैंकनेस, वाक्य की स्पष्टता. Now let's see the usage of this word. His candor, enthusiasm and open tolerance of the opinions of others made him many warm friends and many fierce enemies. उसके खुलेपन, उत्साह और दूसरों के प्रति राय में खुली सहिष्णुता के कारण उसके कई जिगरी दोस्त भी बन गए और साथ ही साथ कई भयंकर शत्रु भी बन गए. So candor simply means the quality of being honest in attitude and speech. Okay, so let's move towards the next word. Our next word for the day is ameliorate. Now let's see the meaning of it. It means make something bad or unsatisfactory better. मतलब कि असंतोषजनक स्थिति से थोड़ा सा बेहतर हो जाना. Now let's see the usage of this word. A centralized policy would compound, not ameliorate the problem. एक केंद्रीकृत नीति समस्या को जटिल करेगी, ना कि उसमें सुधार लाएगी. So ameliorate simply means making something better. Now let's move to the next word. Our next word for the day is kowtow. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means act in an excessively subservient manner. अत्यधिक अधीन तरीके से कार्यरत होना. So now let's see the usage of this word. A woman who gives into all of her husband's needs and demands and who is submissive to him is an example of someone who kowtows to her husband. एक महिला जो अपने पति की सभी ज़रूरतों और मांगों को पूरा करती है और जो उसके लिए विनम्र है, वह किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति का उदाहरण है जो पूर्ण रूप से अपने पति के अधीन हो. So kowtow simply means acting subserviently. Now let's move to the last word of the day. The last word of the day is opprobrium. Now let's see the meaning of this word. Opprobrium means public disgrace arising from shameful conduct. शर्मनाक आचरण से उत्पन्न जन अपमान. Now let's see the usage of this word. His political opinions have attracted the opprobrium of the left. उसके राजनीतिक विचारों ने वामपंथियों के विरोध को आकर्षित किया है. So opprobrium simply means a state of extreme dishonor. Let's recall what we have learnt in this video. The first word which we saw was hegemony, which means leadership or dominance of one group over another. किसी एक समूह का दूसरे पर नेतृत्व अथवा दबदबा होना. The next word was candor, which means the quality of being honest in attitude and speech. व्यवहार और भाषण में ईमानदार होने की गुणवत्ता. The next was ameliorate, which means get better or to make better. बेहतर होना, स्थिति में सुधार आना. The next was kowtow, which means act in an excessively subservient manner. अत्यधिक अधीन रूप से कार्यरत होना. And the last word was opprobrium, which means harsh criticism or censure. कठोर आलोचना या निंदा. So these are the words which we learned today. Okay friends, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. Watch it twice for revising these words and stay connected with us on words and usage. See you in the next video.